An escutcheon plate covers the rough hole where a water supply line enters a wall or floor and gives a clean, finished look. An escutcheon plate hides the gap around the supply riser while protecting the wall from water and debris intrusion, so choose a plate size to the pipe plus any offset and not just the exact pipe diameter. For older homes with corroded or uneven lines, select an oversized escutcheon or a split or tear-apart plastic model that you can fit around an existing riser without disconnecting plumbing. Before installing, clean the surrounding surface and apply a bead of flexible, paintable silicone or latex sealant behind the plate to block moisture and stop drafts. Press the plate flush and wipe away excess sealant immediately. If the wall finish is delicate or the plate will be visible, choose a finish that matches nearby trim and use a paintable plate for a seamless color match. For installations in tile or stone, maintain a small gap for movement and use a non-staining sealant suited to the substrate to avoid discoloration. For a truly flush appearance, consider a recessed escutcheon or a plate with a stepped inner lip that hides both the pipe and any irregular cut in the finish material. Common mistakes include picking a plate that is too small so it does not cover the damaged hole. Fix this by measuring the hole and pipe location first and buying a larger or adjustable split plate. Another issue is omitting sealant, which allows moisture and dust to enter. Always apply a compatible, flexible sealant between the plate and wall and tool it smooth. A third problem is relying on rigid metal plates on uneven or corroded pipes, which leaves gaps. Use a tear-apart plastic or split design escutcheon that molds to the riser and compresses to create a continuous cover. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and explore project options related to finishing touches like escutcheon plates. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world tips and contractors can find new leads and show their work.